this pain that I'm having, hope it vanish. Can you please send me an angel? Got some demons trapped up with hard lows. In the streets I feel like Stevie, close my eyes, you hear piano. Ain't got time to watch no TV, skip right through it like a channel. When the streets be full of flames, ain't no way to stop the violence. Only crying and more sirens, homie played you like a violin. Look back into that paper, kinda hard for you to bypass. Think about the future, I'm still dwelling on the past. Cause that pain can give me fever, so I can't complete the task. Okay, that pain motivation, let's get right to this cash. What's on it with that money, watch that money come up fast. Got a Ranger rockin' brick with an AK in their hand. Watch an AK like Osama, fingers twitching, please don't jam. Steady tryna make a way, but they keep coming with these scams. Ain't even crack a smile. It's been fucked up in my set, let's hit the road, move out of town. I bought the Porsche with a 3.5, work my way up to a pound. We ain't nowhere to go, we're still in cars, moving around. Dirty bros, sweat and tears, they left me looking like a clown. Why you always say you love me, you too busy acting wild. Put my heart out with this little shit, all I wanted was a child. If I get locked up, can you ride for me, can you hold me down? Can you trust me through this process, promise we gon' make it out. I was going through it all, thinking no one cared. You know that kush be my cologne, got exotic smells. I ain't had no compass, but my GPS say Times Square. Ain't no telling, just hold on, only time will tell. Compress them bags, sell it up and get it through the mail. I understand what you're going through, the situation you're going through. A lot of motherfuckers don't really feel you, you know what I'm saying? And you gotta get it how you motherfuckers live.